Here we are to learn about weeks 1 and 2 of pregnancy when you're not actually pregnant yet. Did you know that you're actually a whole month into your pregnancy before you get a positive pregnancy test? I'm a human biology teacher on a quest to teach you what's going on inside your flesh suit, so let's jump in. Week 1 of your pregnancy is actually your last period before getting pregnant. It turns out that menstruation is a highly visible and noticeable checkpoint that gives your care provider a good guess as to when you're ovulating, which isn't so obvious. And therefore, menstruation gives a good estimate of when you actually conceived your baby. In women that have a regular 28-day cycle, the follicular phase is about 14 days, or the week of your period and the week leading up to ovulation. And the luteal phase is the week after ovulation and the week leading up to menstruation. So what's going on with baby in the first 2 weeks of your pregnancy? Well, really not much, but also kind of a lot. But baby doesn't really actually exist yet. In fact, though the egg that will eventually become your baby has been inside you since you were a fetus inside of your own mother, it won't actually be ready to be fertilized until it's been released through ovulation. And the sperm that will eventually become your baby might not actually be matured yet. The sperm that will eventually become your baby actually started its production around 74 days ago, and might actually live inside your baby daddy for up to 2 weeks right here in the epididymis before being ejaculated or dissolved. So what should nutrition look like in weeks 1 and 2 of your pregnancy? At this point, it's very important that you're getting enough iron as you're losing a lot of blood through menstruation. Fiber is also incredibly important, and this study shows that dietary fiber might play a role in the severity of menstrual cramps. So what are some foods that pack in fiber and iron at the same time? Here's my short list. Kidney beans, almonds, blueberries, broccoli, and avocado. Those are just a few foods, and as always, I recommend supplementing in order to bridge the gap between what you're getting and what you need. So there's weeks 1 and 2 of pregnancy, but make sure you hit that follow button so that you can come back when I talk about week 3. Ovulation, fertilization, and implantation.